One way to look at rhythm is to do it through pictures. And so if you notice, you're going to look at this picture in just a minute, and there's going to be a little animation of the beat to show you that some beats have one sound, some beats have two sounds, and then some beats, well, it's like there's one sound that lasts for two beats. And then at the very end, there's just a branch. I wonder what that is. Here comes a bluebird through my window. Hey, diddle dum a day, day, day. So, what was that branch with no bird on it? That was a rest. So you have one bird on a beat, that's a ta. You have two birds on a beat, that's a toddy. You have no birds on a beat, that's a rest. And then you have that one really big bird. Hey, that is one bird that lasts for two beats. Now we're going to look at it as you see it in music notation. There it is. So one sound on a beat is a ta, two sounds on a beat is toddy. That crazy squiggly thing is one beat of silence, and then the half note is an open note head with a stem. Ta ta dee ta 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 dee ta 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 dee ta dee ta ta ta. Your turn, ready, sing. Ta ta dee ta 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 dee ta 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 dee ta dee ta ta ta. Next music lesson, we will review this song, and you get to try and put these notes in order for your assessment. And as always, don't worry if it's not perfect. Just your best effort is what matters.